want to be better, I mean really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm the human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. By the way, if you haven't clicked like and subscribe, please do so. That'll help other people find this channel so we can spread the message of individual excellence. October 29th. Never lose the childlike wonder. Professor Randy Pausch. Being around the young will keep you young. Playing on the floor will keep you mobile and enhance flexibility. So get down there and play dinosaurs versus soldiers or have a tea party. Listen to their outlandish stories because they will expand your thinking and creativity. The play of youth is how they learn, but is also how we can keep developing even as we approach old age. Do this to become and stay excellent. I'm Joe Templin, the human Kaizen expert. I want you to be excellent, be better today.